Well, good evening, fellow congruents. We reached the final day of this journey called the Congruence Academy. Today, we're going to talk about the closing thoughts and my closing remarks, my conclusions on the overall experience and why pursue a mentoring program like that. Okay, my name is Luigi Casas. Remember, I was documenting the entire Congruence Academy journey, and today is the final video of that journey. And of course, I will resume posting and uploading more valuable, high ticket sales related content. Okay, excuse my throat is a little, yeah, getting something in the chest, cough or something. All right. Um, Congruence Academy. What's the future of that program? Let's talk a little bit about that. It was kind of a one-off thing done by the sales snipers. Remember, um, I think they will roll out in the future similar-ish programs, either with snipers or through our sister company, Seventh Level, which is Jeremy Miner's NEPQ training company. Okay. um, why do it? Let me give you my thoughts on why I did it and what was the benefit and the results of that. First of all, the main reason is to surround yourself with like minded people and the best out there. Okay, first of all, I'm not biased. I already now joined the Sales Snipers. Nothing to do with me joining the academy, or maybe a little bit, yes. Why do I say this? We are the average of the 5 or 6 people we hang out with. Okay, no matter how much you love your buddies from high school or university, they're just your buddies, but they're not. Sometimes maybe they are, but sometimes those buddies or immediate family members are not giving you the support, or they're belittling you or your projects. They're not supportive of your dreams, and sometimes that's not a good influence. So you are in here to be as entrepreneurial as possible. The sales career is entrepreneurial. You need support. You need someone who's like minded. Being surrounded by the sales snipers, plus people that have opted in a program like that, will definitely put you in the best position to have a network of high performance individuals that will definitely be of benefit to you in the future. Okay? So, number one, surround yourself with the best. Number two, sales is a skill. You can learn it. So, yeah, regardless of you have entered already, you're making probably 2K, 5K, some erratic numbers. No, you want to be in a career that will allow you to make 15, 20K, 30K per month. Okay? It's not rocket science, guys. It's a process driven activity, and it's totally learnable. Okay? You just need the right skill set and the right processes. Okay? Number three, great sales jobs are not out in the streets, man. And they're not out there in Facebook groups, and they're not just randomly gonna land in your inbox. How do they get placed? And I think I covered this a little bit in a previous video. How do you get placed on great sales jobs? It's just by getting yourself out there, and you have to be known as a sales professional. How do you do that? Well, one of them is actually buying your ticket into that industry. It sounds a little harsh, but it is. I mean, buy the right mentoring programs, surround yourself by the right mentors, and of course, they are always surrounded by the best offers. Let's say an influencer that's spending 300, 500,000 per month on ad spend, which is probably making over 1 million or 2 million per month in their coaching offers or in their biz op offers. They're not gonna find your post randomly a Facebook post. They don't find talent like that. They will hire a large agency or a large influencer that's leader in the sales space. That's how they hire. Okay? So again, do yourself a favor, invest in yourself, and these courses are not the $90, $99, 200. No, these are maybe 2,000, maybe 5,000, maybe 15,000. There are different ranges. You can do a one-on-one mentoring with a person that is involved in one of these organizations. Again, you are in the radars, and when they need a larger closing team, you'll be in the radar. Okay. Number 4, learn NEPQ. In my opinion, in the times we live in, NEPQ, which stands for Neuro Emotional Persuasion Questioning, developed by Jeremy Miner. You can follow him in his group. It is the best selling method for high ticket in the current information age. Why do I say this? Because it works with human behavior, not against it. You will definitely see crazy results, as most of us have seen, a massive increase in our income by learning NEPQ and the right sales skills. Last but not least, guys, it's been amazing sharing all this time. I appreciate you, watching my videos, sharing comments. Appreciate the good concepts, and I'm always happy to help. Hit me up either here on my Facebook, Luigi Cáceres. I'll be more than happy to share my experiences and potentially help you perform better and make more income as a sales professional. Appreciate all the time, and I'll be seeing you around soon in more videos about sales, high ticket sales, advanced high ticket selling. All right, see you around, guys. Peace.